turn it back off, and then we'll all walk down to the end of the hallway together. You can walk with us because I'm scared of bats.
I never noticed that light that bright before.
It hasn't been that bright. What was that blue thing, Louie?
I don't know, that was cool. Where was bat? Shouldn't be a bat.
What?
I said it shouldn't be a bat.
No, it was a blue light.
Sorry, I have to take my flashlight. Can you turn it off?
Well, Emily, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You are awesome, little girl. You are the best thing here.
How about these lights? Can you make these lights light up real quick? First. Real quick.
Just make them blink. They'll go all the way real pretty.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
We might need to charge ours a little bit when we get down there.
That was really, really exciting.
That was exciting, and
That's what it looked like.
I got to figure out what that was, because
I want to take your picture before I leave, okay? Not for the camera. Real big smile. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Emily.
Even if you're not in it, thank you. I'm not really sure who you are, but it kind of sucks that you only get like 15 minutes.
I know. I think that lasted a little long, the whole, I mean, it was cool, but
What?
when we first got up here. Did you hear that?